In this video, we'll show you how to import an LWD, or Log While Drilling data log, from a locator into Vermeer Projects. You'll need to register your locator in Projects before importing your LWD file. If you haven't already registered your locator, you will be prompted to register before the download of the LWD file is successful. To register the locator, open the Projects app. Navigate to File, Options, DCI Locators. Then select Register DCI Locator and enter the serial number and name you'd like to use for that locator. After you've entered the information, hit OK to accept. The date is automatically entered for you when the locator is registered. Now you should turn on the locator with the desired LWD data log on it. Navigate to the Drill data log icon. Navigate to the Upload Job icon on the locator. Selecting this icon displays the LWD data log file stored on the locator. For complete instructions on using the locator, refer to the operator's manual supplied with the locator, or instructions can also be found at www.digitalcontrol.com. Navigate to the file you'd like to import, then select it with the trigger switch on the locator. With that done, switch over to your phone or tablet and open the Projects app. Select Menu, File, then Transfer LWD File within the Projects app. Select Start Scan. If Bluetooth is not already enabled on the mobile device, Projects prompts you to enable it. For Android devices, you must select the locator type before starting the scan. Once the process is complete, you'll get a message letting you know the LWD file has been uploaded successfully.